Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing amazing. In today's video, I'm doing a speed clean with me. I have a couple of hours, so I thought I'm going to do some bits and bobs around the house, and last year this video did quite well. So firstly, I'm just cleaning all the washing and clearing it away that I did yesterday, and then I'm just going to go straight into it and start with cleaning the sink. I'm using Zoflora mostly as I find this is such a good product and it smells lovely. It makes your house just smell really good. Everywhere you go, it's lovely. So yeah, I'm just doing all bits and pieces, so such as the tap, the surfaces, and yeah, this is pretty much what I do in the whole kitchen. Aside from the counter, I'm also going to be using Zoflora on the backsplash, as well as the kettle, the air fryer, the cupboard doors, the oven, the microwave. I'm basically wanting to do a bit of a deep clean, so I'm just doing all the surfaces that I touch regularly just to make sure they're nice and clean. The next product I'm using is Power Hob from Tesco's, and I'm just spraying that on the hob and just wiping it down just to make sure it's nice and clean as well, and just getting rid of any marks and greases. Now I've cleaned all the kitchen surfaces, I'm preparing the floor for it to be washed. So I'm going around the house with a vacuum cleaner, just picking up any crumbs and whatever else is on the floor, and just getting that ready so when I clean the floor I don't have to deal with that. To wash the floor, I'm just filling a bucket with warm water and adding Zoflora again for that nice smell. And I'm using just a mop sort of thing. I don't actually know what it is, but it's one you use for the floor. So I'm just kind of doing the whole downstairs with that, with any wooden surfaces. While I wait for that to dry, I'm also just doing a bit of dusting. So any surfaces that has a little bit of dust, such as the TV, then I'll just make sure to remove that. Then I will use a bit of polish on the wood just to get it nice and clean and removing any marks. So yeah, that's kind of like a routine thing I do. That is pretty much everything that I'm doing for downstairs for the speed clean, but I'm going to rearrange the furniture just to make sure it's all nice. And then once that's done, I'm going to do everything else on the stairs. So to start off with, I'm using the vacuum as usual, just to pick up anything that's there, such as crumbs, although I find there's nothing really there. And I use the thin nozzle as I find that's much more effective and you can get into the corners and the crevices. Then I'm going to dust the sides on the curb, the skirting, I can't remember what it's called now. But yeah, I just pick up any dust, especially on the radiator, because you'd be surprised what is there. And also don't forget the corners of the room. There's a cobweb there. I don't know if you can see it. And once the house is cobweb and dust free, I'm going to polish the handrails. I have now reached the top of the house, so I'm just doing the same again. I'm using a vacuum cleaner on the carpet, but I'm using the bigger one this time as it covers a lot more surface. I'm also vacuuming the bathroom as that's what I'm going to be doing next. I'm just going to be doing a quick clean, so just remove anything from the sides. What I do is I let everything dry before I put things away in my drawer, otherwise it just gets the wood wet and it's not a good thing to do. Honestly, I've had like the drawers destroyed. Anyway, off topic, I'm putting my gloves on and I'm going to be using this Cif bathroom cleaner. It's pretty good and I'd find it quite dual purpose. So I'm just cleaning all the surrounding areas such as the sink and then like the tiling and the sides. And of course, I'm doing the not so nice stuff like cleaning the toilet, putting bleach in it, all that fun stuff. Anyway, I'm using the Viacal, I don't know what it is. It's like an aluminium spray, or I don't know, stainless steel. Anyway, you spray it where I put it and it makes it really shiny. I do really like this. So yeah, that's what I'm doing next. But can you see like the shine it's left? So good. Oh my goodness. The next job is to do the bath. So I'm basically using the same products that I did last time, but just kind of like cleaning the basin, and then I'll be also doing the shower screen. After cleaning the shower head, I'm then going to make my life a lot easier and just use it to rinse all the products off the bath. It just makes life a lot easier than having to get your sponge and just rinse it. Next, I'm moving on to mine and my boyfriend's room. So again, I am using the vacuum and just cleaning the floor and picking up any bits that are there. Then I'm just reorganizing my side table. It is a bit cluttered because I am short on space as I'm staying over here until we get a house together. Then I'm going to be cleaning and changing the sheets. So what I'm doing is just taking off all my old bedding. To freshen up the bedding, I'm then using this Lenor spray. It is an anti-crinkle spray, which I will use later, but I'm just using it to make it all smell nice, and it is a lovely smell. Now I'm putting on the new sheet, and once I've done this, I will use that spray again and kind of like spray it all over the bedding, and you'll see that it releases all the crinkles. Anyway, after I've put on the spray, I then pretty much do the same as I was doing downstairs, such as just dusting. And that's pretty much it. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been quite fun to film. I enjoy these. So I will see you soon in my next video. Have an amazing day, everyone. Bye.